The year was 2008. The world was on the brink of a major economic collapse, a financial crisis that would leave a lasting impact on global economies. The world was reeling from a financial crisis. Stock markets plummeted, businesses shuttered, and millions of people lost their jobs. The economic downturn was unprecedented in its scale and severity. Trust in traditional institutions was shaken. Banks that were once seen as pillars of stability were now viewed with suspicion and fear. People were desperate for an alternative, a new way to manage their finances. It was in this climate that Bitcoin emerged, a revolutionary digital currency. Created by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin promised a new way of handling money. Bitcoin promised a new way of handling money, free from central control. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning no single entity has control over it. This decentralized system, maintained by a network of computers, offered an alternative to traditional financial systems. Each computer or node in the network verifies and records transactions, ensuring the integrity of the system. Bitcoin, at its core, is a digital ledger called a blockchain. This blockchain is a public record of all transactions that have ever taken place in the Bitcoin network. This blockchain records every transaction made with Bitcoin. Each transaction is added to a block, which is then linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks or blockchain. This information is publicly available and transparent. Anyone can view the blockchain and see the history of transactions, making it a highly transparent system. This transparency and security have been key to Bitcoin's appeal since its inception. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin means that it is not subject to the whims of any single government or financial institution. The journey of Bitcoin from a niche concept to a global phenomenon is fascinating. Over the years, Bitcoin has seen its value skyrocket, attracting the attention of investors, technologists, and the general public alike. This essay will delve into the history of Bitcoin. We will explore the key milestones that have shaped its development and the challenges it has faced along the way. We will explore its origins, its rise to prominence, and its potential impact on the future of finance. From its mysterious beginnings to its current status as a digital gold, Bitcoin's story is one of innovation, disruption, and potential. The origins of Bitcoin are shrouded in mystery. In 2008, a person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper. This document, titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System, laid out the foundations for this revolutionary digital currency. The white paper proposed a system where transactions could occur without intermediaries. This peer-to-peer network would be maintained by its users. This decentralized nature of Bitcoin was a direct challenge to traditional financial systems. Despite numerous attempts, the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains unknown. This anonymity has only added to the allure of Bitcoin. The mystery surrounding its creator has become an integral part of Bitcoin's narrative. The early days of Bitcoin were marked by both excitement and skepticism. Enthusiasts saw it as a revolutionary technology that could change the world, while skeptics doubted its viability and long-term potential. The first real-world transaction using Bitcoin took place in 2010. This was a significant milestone that demonstrated Bitcoin's potential as a digital currency. A programmer famously bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. This transaction, now celebrated annually as Bitcoin Pizza Day, marked the beginning of Bitcoin's journey into mainstream consciousness. This event highlighted the potential of Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. It showed that Bitcoin could be used for everyday transactions, paving the way for its acceptance in various sectors. As Bitcoin gained traction, its value began to fluctuate wildly. The volatility attracted both investors looking for high returns and critics who saw it as a speculative bubble. The infamous Mt. Gox exchange emerged as a central trading platform. At its peak, it handled over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions worldwide. However, its collapse in 2014, due to a massive hack, served as a stark reminder of the risks associated with this nascent technology. The incident resulted in the loss of hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Bitcoin also gained notoriety for its use on the dark web marketplace Silk Road. This platform allowed users to buy and sell illegal goods anonymously, using Bitcoin as the primary currency. This online platform facilitated the anonymous trade of illegal goods. It became a hub for illicit activities, from drug trafficking to illegal weapons sales. The association with illicit activities brought Bitcoin under intense scrutiny from law enforcement agencies worldwide. Governments began to crack down on illegal uses of Bitcoin, leading to numerous arrests and the eventual shutdown of Silk Road. Despite early setbacks, Bitcoin continued to gain mainstream attention. Its price volatility, while a cause for concern for some, also attracted traders and investors. The media coverage surrounding Bitcoin's price swings further fueled public interest. The emergence of alternative cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, added to the growing buzz around digital currencies. Ethereum, Litecoin, and others offer different features and functionalities, expanding the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Institutional investors began to take notice of Bitcoin's potential. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy made significant investments in Bitcoin. This institutional interest lent legitimacy to Bitcoin and signaled a potential shift in how corporations view digital assets. Section 5. Technological advancements shaping the future. The development of Bitcoin technology has been a continuous process. One key event is the Bitcoin halving. This event, which occurs approximately every 4 years, cuts the rate at which new Bitcoins are created in half. This reduction in supply is designed to control inflation. Another significant development is the Lightning Network. This second-layer protocol aims to address Bitcoin's scalability issues. The Lightning Network allows for faster and cheaper transactions by processing them off the main blockchain. Furthermore, upgrades like Taproot have enhanced Bitcoin's privacy and functionality. These technological advancements are crucial for Bitcoin's long-term viability. They demonstrate the commitment of the Bitcoin community to improving the network. Section 6. The regulatory landscape, a global patchwork. The regulatory landscape for Bitcoin varies significantly across the globe. Governments have grappled with how to classify and regulate this new form of currency. Some countries, like China, have implemented outright bans on Bitcoin mining and trading. In contrast, El Salvador made history in 2021 by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. This move aimed to promote financial inclusion, but has faced challenges in implementation and adoption. The lack of a unified global regulatory framework creates uncertainty for businesses and individuals operating in the Bitcoin space. Regulatory clarity is crucial for fostering innovation and wider adoption of Bitcoin. Section 7. Bitcoin today, a maturing asset. As of December 5, 2024, Bitcoin holds a significant position in the global financial market. Its price, while still volatile, has shown resilience over the years. Bitcoin's market capitalization, a measure of its total value, reflects its growing acceptance as a store of value. Bitcoin's use cases have also expanded beyond its initial purpose as a peer-to-peer payment system. It is increasingly seen as a hedge against inflation and a store of value similar to gold. However, challenges remain. Scalability issues, regulatory uncertainty, and environmental concerns related to Bitcoin mining continue to be debated. Addressing these challenges is crucial for Bitcoin's continued growth and adoption. Section 8. Gazing into the crystal ball. The future of Bitcoin. Predicting the future of Bitcoin is a complex endeavor. Expert opinions on its long-term trajectory vary widely. Some predict Bitcoin will reach new all-time highs, driven by wider adoption and institutional investment. Others caution against its volatility and the emergence of central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. These CBDCs, backed by governments, could potentially challenge Bitcoin's position in the financial system. Despite the uncertainty, one thing is clear. Bitcoin has sparked a revolution in how we think about money and finance. Its decentralized nature and potential to disrupt traditional systems continue to intrigue and inspire. Section 9. Conclusion, the ongoing saga of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. Since its inception in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has grown from a niche interest to a global phenomenon. From its mysterious origins to its current status as a global asset, Bitcoin has captured the imagination of millions. It has sparked debates, inspired innovation, and even led to the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has challenged conventional thinking about money and finance. It has introduced the concept of decentralized finance, where transactions occur without the need for a central authority, fundamentally altering our understanding of financial systems. Its story is a testament to the power of innovation and the potential of decentralized technologies. The blockchain technology that underpins Bitcoin has found applications in various fields, from supply chain management to voting systems. While the future of Bitcoin remains uncertain, its journey has been marked by extreme volatility. Prices have soared to unimaginable heights and plummeted just as dramatically, reflecting the speculative nature of this digital asset. Its impact on the financial landscape is undeniable. Major financial institutions have started to integrate Bitcoin into their systems, and it is increasingly being accepted as a form of payment by businesses worldwide. Whether Bitcoin fulfills its promise as a global currency or evolves into something entirely new, it has already changed the way we think about money. It has opened up possibilities for a future where digital currencies could coexist with traditional ones. Its legacy as a pioneer in the world of digital assets is secure. Bitcoin has paved the way for the broader acceptance and understanding of cryptocurrencies, and its milestones are celebrated by enthusiasts and investors alike. The saga of Bitcoin is far from over. As technology continues to evolve, so too will Bitcoin, adapting to new challenges and opportunities. Its decentralized nature ensures that it remains resilient and adaptable. It will continue to be a source of debate, innovation, and perhaps even disruption for years to come. Experts and enthusiasts will keep discussing its potential, its risks, and its role in the future of finance. Only time will tell what the next chapter holds for this revolutionary digital currency. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: Bitcoin's story is one of the most compelling narratives in the world of finance and technology.